So you clicked on this video because you are curious about making educational videos for kids. Well, you're in the right place, as this is currently one of the hottest evergreen niches on YouTube, and I'll tell you why and how you can have a piece of the pie while it's still hot in the next 10 seconds. Now, these are the top 3 reasons. Make money fast. Kids channels are incredibly lucrative, and as you can see, this is just one of a few creators in this niche with a low sub count. Yet see how many views they are able to rake in consistently monthly and how much they are able to earn. And this figure is usually at the center of this, which means it's fair to say they make around $18,000 consistently every single month doing this. Easy to create. Especially with AI, it has never been easier and faster to create these kind of videos with the explosion of new AI tools, some of which will blow your mind in this video. And with the help of these same AI tools, creating this kind of videos is such a breeze. Repeat organic viewers. At this point, we can all admit our kids live absolutely rent-free in our homes and in our hearts. And sometimes they can take over our phones and the remote control. And what do you think they watch? Annoyingly, the same content over and over and over again, raking in millions of views for the creators, which is you, of course. And that can greatly lead to a massive boost in retention and revenue for you. Now, make sure you watch this video till the end, as this tutorial is different from anything else you've seen on YouTube. Now you want to head over to Char GPT. Stop, we won't be using Char GPT, but we'll be heading over to YouTube for our search. And this is because you want to model after what works and stand a good chance of going viral. Inside of YouTube, type in Kids Educational Channel into the search bar and go over to the filter section and click on channel. And as you can see, there are so many channels to emulate from. But for the sake of this video, I have already planned out a list of 2 channels having few subscribers, but their videos are currently doing over 500k consistently. Now you want to type in InfoZilen into the search bar, and as you can see, this channel is perfect for us to emulate and get potential viral video ideas from. At this point, you want to hover over to the video section and click on popular, and there you go, guys. This channel has videos doing from 6.9 million views down to 700k views under just 1 year, and that is sweet and perfect. At this point, in a new tab, you want to just open a fresh YouTube search bar and do the same thing as we did earlier. Head over to this new channel, as you can see on screen, and do the same thing by hovering over to the video section and to the popular section. And again, as you can see, it has videos doing over 4.3 million views in just 11 months. Awesome. Now you want to head over to one of the channels and click on popular. Select the video title of the first 10 best performing videos from the first channel and save it into your notepad. This process should be as effortless as possible. Now repeat this same step for the second channel again and gather a total of at least 20 best performing videos title ideas, which will be the compilation of the best performing 10 from each of the channels. Feel free to explore other channels with small sub count and large viewers as well. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to be recreating the sea animal video. Head over to Char GPT and paste in this particular prompt. Basically asking Char GPT to give you 100 sea animal names, and also asking it to write one simple phrase about each one, and also that the content is meant for kids and hence it should make use of simple and understandable language. As you can see, it is recreating our request easily. And after it is done, you want to also ask Char GPT to give you an opening for this particular video. And yes, it's also been created. And if you're feeling like it, and you can also decide to paste in this particular prompt in Gemini just to see which tool works best for you. In my opinion, I prefer Char GPT. I'm going to be making use of Char GPT. Head over to Google and type in Canva, or click on the link in the description. Click on sign up if you're new to Canva. Now continue with Google, and this should be as seamless and easy as possible. Inside of Canva, click on custom size, go to units and select inches. Input 16 into width and 9 into height, and click create new design. Now inside the interface, type in underwater background, hover around and preview, select an adequate background for your video, and try as much as possible to avoid the paid ones with a crown logo to avoid copyright in your videos. Now head over to the text section, add a new heading. Now I want to type in the title of your video into the box. Now head over to the font and type in kids and select water lily. Now go to the effect section and click on background. Now scroll down and change the color to something fun and bright for kids. At this point, you want to adjust the video and text properly, and you can decide to select an animation for more life to the video. Now head over to the video length and adjust to your desired length for an opening scene. Click on the share button and download into your system. Now go over to Char GPT and ask it to create a short music lyrics for the intro of your kids video, which is about learning 100 sea animal. Now copy the intro music lyrics and head over to the next AI as you can see on screen. Go to Google and type in tuno/ai.me, and after signing up, paste your lyrics into this lyrics section as you can see on screen and select the style of music as kids intro music. Now you want to write in the title of your video into the title section and leave it at random for the AI to use an adequate voice and hit generate. At this point, you want to give it some time to process, and it's done generating. Now as you can see, you have 2 clips from which you can use either of them. Now let's take a listen to each of them.
From the dolphin to the starfish and jellyfish too, 100 sea animals waiting just for you.
And that was completely awesome, guys. Now without wasting much time, let's preview the second one.
Along with me. From the dolphins to the starfish and jellyfish too, 100 sea animals waiting just for you. Dolphins swim where the oceans gleam.
At this point, it's left to you to choose the best for your kind of video. Head over to Google and type in Video AI. Now click on the first link and you should see this page. Click on Try Video and follow the on-screen prompt to sign up. You automatically have 80 credits free every month for every Gmail account you create or you use to sign up, so you can create as many as possible. Now click on Create Video. Over to the text to video option and paste this prompt as you can see on screen. A dolphin swimming in the sea. Click Create. It uses 4 credits per creation. It's creating. Sorry guys, I don't understand what's going on here. At this point, you want to edit the prompt and hit create again, and as you can see guys, this is just perfect. Now you want to repeat this same process for the rest of the animals in your video. At this point, you want to head over to Char GPT and copy your video prompt. Head over to Google and type in ttsfree.com. You can easily sign up. Now you have 2,000 characters per generation if you sign up, so I strongly advise you sign up. Now paste in this script into the script box and select Anna as your voiceover character and click on the blue Convert Now button. I just like using them because they are free and they have very realistic voices. Now our voiceover is done and you want to just easily click on the blue Download Now button to download this voiceover into your system. After all this is done, you want to put all this together by heading over to CapCut Video Editor. Now because of time, I won't be showing you guys how to do all that, as that can easily lead to a 40 minutes plus long video. If you want to learn more on how to put all this together easily, you can easily watch this video and see how I put all the components together in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next Saturday.